read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Right, having directors interested in me. I wrote myself a check for $10 million. I gave myself 5 years. I dated at Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
All right, to start this look, of course, we're going to use a primer, and I'm using the Ulta Makeup Matte Primer. You can also use concealer or any other kind of primer. I'm going to pat that under my eye also. It's okay, guys, if your primer application is a little messy, because we're going to go back in and clean up afterwards. So once you have that prime, once again, we're gonna use the handy dandy Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the first palette. I should be getting the second one soon, so please stay tuned. First shade that we're gonna use is this green right here called Enchanted. All right, you can grab any crease brush. I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Dual crease brush. On one end has a fluffy crease brush and then a denser one, so I'm using that. Starting off with the fluffy end, just apply Enchanted to the outer corner of our eye, and I'm just gonna pat that in first, and then I'll slowly move it a little towards the inner eye. I'm just gonna make sure I'm putting it at the bottom also.
Just before.
You just pat that in, move it a little towards the beginning. Again, I'm working that at the bottom also. Alright, next, using the same side of the brush, apply Jada, this shade right here. I'm gonna apply that next to the Enchanted. And using the same technique, we're gonna pat it in and then slowly pull it in. And this primer is really good, guys. I didn't even have to set it. And then I feel like the colors are showing up a little more vibrant. If you don't have this kind of brush, you can just use 2 crease brushes to get the job done. Because I'm using the same side of this brush for all the dark shades, and then for the lighter shades, I'm gonna use the opposite side. All right, next shade is the purple, and using that same side again. Now that we have those 3, we're gonna go into the lighter shades, which are the orange, this orange right here. We're gonna use, and it's called Hunt. I'm using the opposite side of the brush. And you want to make sure you leaving enough room that you can apply one more shade. Alright, next shade we're using is this yellow right here called Creamsicle. It's a little hard for that yellow to show up, so I'm going to use a flat end eyeshadow brush. So I'm just going to apply the eyeshadow to the brush, and then afterwards spray it with my setting spray. That way it makes the color pop a little bit.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park.
Okay, now that we have the colors all applied, we're gonna go back in using the same technique just to make it more vibrant and to also blend.
Directors interested in me, and
once you dab the shade on your eyelid, you also want to swipe a little bit to the left and to the right, blending the shades in. You can always blend over the next shade to make it more balanced and symmetrical. So just lightly, you want to use a light hand and just swipe over the top. That way it's blended, there's no harsh lines. The key to doing the perfect eyeshadow look is applying, blending, not brushing. So you always want to take your time. Now working on the lower eye, we're just going to use all those shades in the same order that we have it on top. Use a small brush, that way you can dab it in. This is a small angle brush. And you want to keep it lined up with the shades that you have on top. So however extended you have your yellow, you want it extended the same amount at the bottom. I'm gonna grab my makeup towel, my makeup remover towel, and use some makeup remover and just wipe off primer and shadow that I feel like is overextended. Right, once you have all that wiped off, you can go in with any concealer of your choice and clean up. And with each step that you do, you always want to go back in and touch up with your colors. Right, using the heavy metal glitter in Midnight Cowboy. I'm just going to dab a little glitter in my tear duct. Alright, the eyes are done. Now I'm just going to apply my lashes and finish my face. So stay tuned for the final result. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. If you like videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!